Hello everyone, my name is Doug Rose. I'm with Emergency Plumbing Service here out of Delaware, Ohio. And today we're going to do a short demo on how to make a marshmallow launcher. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. This is just the way we did it for some schools. And today we are going to be using CPVC pipe. You can use PVC pipe. Ours is half inch. Half inch seems to fit the marshmallows a little bit better than anything larger. You're probably going to want to go ahead and pre-cut several different sizes of pipe. I think the instructions that we have for you show 4 3-inch pieces, a couple 5-inch pieces, and a 7-inch piece. So we're going to throw together that launcher real quick that is in the description. And it's super simple, super fast. Have fun with it. You don't have to do it the same way I'm doing it. You can change up the pieces, make pieces longer, shorter. But when you are cutting them, I recommend having the parents cut them. If there's any sharp edges on them, sand them off a little bit. Make sure you sanitize them, clean them. We want everybody to be safe and healthy and all that, especially with the coronavirus. So, real quick, just a quick demo of the basic marshmallow launcher. We're going to take a T, a little short T. We're going to put a 3-inch piece in the bottom and a cap on that. Those caps that are going on the bottom here, they're going to keep the air from blowing out the wrong way. You want everything to go out the end of the launcher. So we'll take a 5-inch piece and another T fitting. We'll aim that one down too. Put a short 3-inch piece on it. Go ahead and cap that off as well. I like having a little longer end because I think it looks cool and it's fun. Now this is the side your marshmallow is going to come out. Now on this side, you can use it just like this, but just for aesthetics and make it look neat, I like to add a little bit to it. So I'll put another piece of pipe and a fitting and another piece of pipe, and I'll turn it out towards me where I'm going to be able to blow on it and shoot the marshmallow out. So again, have fun with it. If you want to add a piece here, add a piece. If you want to flip this over and do it like this, you can do that. Just have a good time with it. Experiment. Let your kids go crazy with different ways. Now, when we load it, I like to put it in the end that it's going to come out of. So I'll give it a little cooking spray to let it slide through the pipe pretty easy. Put it right in here. And I like to put that in right in my T. Now, you can have this face any way you want. So I'll show you how it comes out there. So I hit the girl behind the camera, which is always fun. She tries to be as quiet as possible. I'm sure you can hear her chuckling a little bit. So that's your basic, and I'll show you a couple other ones that I've had kids make that I thought were really cool. Some of the kids were super creative. They came out of the class that we did and had some really cool stuff to show. So we'll take all this apart. Now, you can throw it together any way you want as long as you have the side you're going to blow on that's open and the side that the marshmallow is going to come out that's open. Even if you just wanted to do a straight one, even if you just wanted to put a marshmallow in a straight piece of pipe and just get it in there. You don't want any sticking over the edge because if you put a fitting on there, it'll catch. But that went right here over her head. So that shoots really well. Again, just a cool one that some kids did. They put together a few pieces and they really made it really cool. I think one kid made something that looked possibly like a tank. So have fun with it. This is a super simple one too, but just throw it all together. It doesn't have to look like mine. Doesn't have to be shaped like it. So we'll go ahead. This is a little different than the last one I did, but we'll go ahead and make it shoot straight out. Now, you see, if I put that T on it and I shoot it out of here or out of this side, it's not going to come out very easily. So if we do that, we would like to use a short piece and a cap to cap off one side. And now I can shoot that marshmallow right out of there. And I'll take it off and I'll put it in the side that the tea is going to go in. Little cooking spray. Any brand is fine. Put it right in there. And if you want, you can get good aim. Oh, I hit the camera. All right. So, again, have fun. I have a lot of extra pieces. Cut a lot of extra pieces. Do it 10 different ways if you want to. It's really fun. I did it with my kids. We ran around the house. My wife wasn't too happy because we had marshmallows everywhere. So it's a good outside project. We're coming up on maybe some good weather soon. So anyways, like us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Check out our videos. I have a lot of other training videos for kids and adults. Check us out on our website at emergencyplumbingservice.com. This is our, you might see our trucks running around. So enjoy the Marshmallow Launchers. And I'm going to show you one more launcher that we made that was really cool. We used some pipe and an air compressor to launch some marshmallows. So we're going to take a quick break here and I'll meet you outside. Hi, welcome back. We're outside of the shop right now. As you can see, there's a backhoe back there and dirt pile. So this is our marshmallow launcher that we made to hook to an air compressor. So right now I think we have just under 150 PSI that is in this chamber down here. Well, not yet, it will be. But, so again, cooking spray on the marshmallow. Make sure it slides out, cooking spray in here. We'll get it in there. And if you make something like this at home, make sure your parents are around, be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And we need something to just push it down in there a little bit with. So we get it all loaded up. And we're gonna shoot one of our work vans. That marshmallow went over the trailer over there, but the little packing we put in there hit the van. So pretty cool. It's fun. Again, you can do lots of different things with it. So have fun. Send any questions our way. Put a comment on our video, and have a great day. We'll see you soon.